This is a video on how to tow with the Dodge Ram Power Wagon. So when you first connect the trailer and get into the vehicle, you will want to come down here and hit tow haul mode, which will show up on the screen as on. Every time you turn on the vehicle, you'll have to re-engage the tow haul mode. After that, this screen should show up automatically, which is the trailer brake controller screen. If not, you can use these arrows up and down to toggle through the settings and get back to the trailer tow mode. Once you do that, you'll see that it has basically a percentage gain. As you push on the brakes, go all the way up to 100. Right here, you have a test. So as you squeeze that, you'll see it go to 100. And this is how you increase or decrease the trailer braking. So one thing you want to know is you want to be in park when you set it up. After you do, and you have it where you want to have it. So I like to always make sure that the truck has majority of braking and then the trailer is a little less. You'll roll forward slowly with the trailer, just a couple miles an hour. You'll slowly apply the brakes. You want to just feel that the truck is doing the majority of the braking, and then the trailer is still braking but doing a little bit less. You don't want the trailer to pull harder on braking than the truck. And once you get all this set up, you should be good to go. Again, here's how you increase and decrease braking percentage. If you detach the trailer and reattach it, you might have to adjust the braking a little bit as well. If you have any questions, always reach out to us. But basically, these are the details on how to tow with the Dodge Ram Power Wagon.